Hello, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. I'm JoJo, the Joyous Genealogist, and I'm so glad you guys are here. Today, I'm just going to do a really quick, short little video on a couple things that you guys should look out for if you have Family Tree Maker or if you're interested in Roots Tech. So, I wanted to throw those two things out really quick before I got to run and get back to work. But I noticed when I checked my email today, I had this email from Family Tree Maker. They always do this over like a 3-day period. They do a sell for like 3 days, and I usually don't even see the email until Sunday. This time I didn't see it until today. So this is the last day that they're going to have this sell. So if you have Family Tree Maker 2017 and you want to upgrade to 2019, now would be the perfect time to do that because it's on sale for 70% off. So you can upgrade for $29.95 right now. And you also get the Tree Vault services for free right now for an entire year, just through till November of 2024. So I wanted to let you guys know about this. So it is only for people who have a previous version of Family Tree Maker. This is not for the actual product, for the sell of the product or for the software. So it's only an upgrade price, unfortunately. Why they're doing this now, I don't know. I upgraded over a year ago, I think. I can't keep track of these things. But as you can see, it says 3 days only. And this is a heck of a deal. So if I was you and you could, you have an older version and you wanted to upgrade, I would definitely take advantage of this price point right here. I don't know if they're coming out with a newer version. Usually what they do is they just keep upgrading the 2019. Like they just had another update a month ago. So if you can jump on this, if you have the older version, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to include his video of what the new features are for the 2019 software upgrade. And so I'll link this in the description with the link for the website if you want to upgrade your Family Tree Maker. So definitely this is cool. I looked at my Family Tree Maker to make sure I had the upgraded version. And so if you have Family Tree Maker and you're not sure what version you have, if you go to Family Tree Maker and then you click on Help up here in the corner, and you click on that and you open it up, you will want to go to check for updates and upgrades. And it says right here, my Family Tree Maker is up to date. Also, you can go to, see, it says right here, like I have the Family Tree Maker 2019 companion guide, and this will tell you right here, this is the version that I have, is 2019. So I have the latest version, and this is the latest update, was the 24.2.2. That was the latest update, upgrade from last month for 2019. So 2019 is the latest or the newest software program since 2017's Family Tree Maker version. And so this is the newest, even though it's confusing because it says 2019, this is the newest, the latest you can get. So that's how you figure out which version you have and if you want to upgrade. Okay, so that is it. And then also I wanted to remind you guys that Roots Tech is let's just go back to the home page here. Roots Tech is still offering their early bird discount. So it's $99 for the entire, what is it, 3 days, 29th, or 2 days, 3 days, February 29th through March 2nd of 2024. It's only $99 for the whole event. They will have it online for free. So if you register now to be in Salt Lake, for a 3-day pass, it's $100 basically. And for a 1 day, it's $69. Or you can register for free now online. So, and the website for Roots Tech is rootstech.org, or you can even register at familysearch.org too. And the really cool thing about Family or Roots Tech is that you can come in here and you can actually watch videos from previous years of Roots Tech. So there's hundreds of classes. You can save playlist for what you want to go back and watch. And so there is so much here. There's so many tutorials and classes over probably anything you'd want to know genealogy related. So if you're not familiar with Roots Tech, it's a worldwide, basically, now it's worldwide since it's online, huge genealogy conference in Salt Lake every year. So one of the biggest, I think, most likely, for sure. It is amazing. So if you haven't gotten registered for the online sessions, do that. Or if you're going to go in person, do that now. I think the early bird ends in November. So it's coming up, you guys. I don't know if it said what day in November. Um, it doesn't say. It doesn't say when it ends. So you'll have to just get signed up so you don't miss out on the sale, right? Okay, so there was that. And also, if you aren't familiar with, let me get back to Family Tree Maker. Family Tree Maker is, I should have covered this first, is a genealogy software that works with Ancestry and Family Search, and you can go back and forth in from Family Search and Ancestry to research your genealogy. I have a video over that in the playlist Family Tree Maker that just kind of goes over like what the software does. It's not how to use it, it's just what the software does, what it's about. And I also have one for Roots Magic. Roots Magic is always $39.95. If it goes on sale, it's usually $20, so it's a lot less expensive. I like Family Tree Maker, but you can also try out Roots Magic. I think it syncs with MyHeritage now too, and Ancestry and Family Search. So you have all those options. So yeah, you just check them out. I've got tutorials on both of those and what the differences are as far as that goes. So that's it for this video, you guys. I will be back soon. I was out of town 2 weekends in a row, which when I'm out of town, it really puts me behind this channel. It takes me a while to get back into pace, and so I will get back into pace this week. And I'm just going to upload this real quick. I probably won't have an intro, outro. I just want to get it up to you guys, out to you guys. So if you want to take advantage of this awesome discount, it ends today. And then you get Tree Vault for free. It's amazing. So it's a heck of a good deal. Check it out. I'll leave the links in the description for you guys. And yeah, take care, be blessed, and stay good. All right. Talk to you guys later. Bye.